Gemini, hello, this is Madam J coming in with your reading for September. Here you are with your energy. Here you is. Let's see what other signs play a part in your storyline. Cancer is involved. Some secrets are being revealed. Illusions are coming to the forefront and being broken. One of you may have Gemini and Neptune. We have a Capricorn involved. Situation involving emotional issues. Like I say, the truth is coming to the light. It's going to be a spark. This is dealing with a love situation or someone that you love. Let's see what other signs are involved. I have Scorpio. Could be your baby mom or a family member or baby daddy, husband, child, mate. Pisces. I have Libra. I have Leo. Virgo. And Aries. And also Sagittarius. And it could be a situation involving communication as well. Alright, let's put those to the side. What else do I need? Let's see what's going on with your love life. But first, let me do these. I have a love at first sight situation. Cheater alert. And your ex returns. Alright, let's see what the Oracle has to say. So your ex may be returning after cheating. Or you may have cheated. Take it as it resonates. You may have just met someone and it was love at first sight. And they cheating with you. Alright, let go of control issues. So it looks like a baby mama, baby daddy situation going on. Free yourself. Release your ex. It's passion involved. You have heavy passion coming. Maybe it's a sexual relationship. That's what keeps you holding on. I have unrequited love. Gemini, usually the lovers in the zodiac. Forgiving and learning. So yeah, maybe y'all went through a home issue. You're reconciling. Okay, let's see what states are involved. West Virginia, New York, Kansas, Arkansas. We have Kentucky, Colorado, Mississippi, Tennessee, Georgia, New Mexico, Idaho, Missouri, Illinois, Connecticut. So look up. I'm going to pull, say Field. Pull a couple more. Montana, Rhode Island, Washington, and Pennsylvania. Alright, let's see what professions are involved in this. Let's see, yes or no. Ooh. Nurse, forensics, a clerk, a nail tech, phlebotomist, celebrity rapper, male. A chemist, waitress, actor, sex worker. Oh, shoot. We have a killer, a psychic medium, a detective, an informant, a valet. Someone's unemployed. I have a hostess, the FBI, snitch, celebrity rapper, teacher. Addiction counselor, celebrity singer, female, CEO, army member, female, mortgage loan processor, herbalist, army member, male, florist, astronomer, personal assistant, a CNA, a chef, and an actress. I'll pull a few more. A celebrity actress, celebrity actor. Take the storyline as it goes. Y'all might have seen this in the news. Could be an upcoming storyline. Something, the truth will be revealed shortly. Could be a movie you're watching. Oh my Jesus. Serial killer. A cook. The president. A movie director. Just say the movie. Engineer. Personal trainer. Novelist or writer. Architect. Archaeologist. Magazine editor. Astrologist. I'm getting all kind of creep vibes. This is a situation that I know of, particularly somebody that's working in a restaurant. It's possibly on the run, or a serial killer, or a fucking serial rapist. Ladies, be careful. Men, be careful. All y'all be careful, really, because it's a lot of creep activity going on. Watch your surroundings day and night. Don't be so trusting of people and getting involved with people. Get a full background. Google is your best friend as well. Start Googling people. Arrest records are online. I'm hearing somebody's using a fake name or fake identity because they've done some horrible crimes. And they move from state to state, getting jobs where no background check is required. Your stepmom is scoring your uncle. Stay focused. Let's see where I'm at on time. I can't really tell. You were molested by a family friend. Your mate is an alcoholic. It's time to relocate. Your ex has a tracking device on your phone. Be careful. Gemini, you have an obsessive ex. And I'm looking at this serial killer card. It may not be an actual serial killer, but that person may have a few bodies under their belt. Be very careful. He's almost fell on the floor. Your mate is on drugs. Stop letting people use you. Wear the black wig with the bang. Slow down. Stop telling your business. Your niece and your sister gossip about you. Your mom is terminally ill. The brown wig is more professional. Telekinesis is your superpower. You are going to Dubai in 3 months. Wear the blue dress to the wedding. Time for a new hairstyle. Stop conjuring demons. That fruit salad looks yummy. Cousin is scoring his best friend, male. He is cheating with someone with blonde hair. You were molested by your uncle. You were molested by your cousin. You are a sleepwalker. Don't eat from your cousin. Dang, you were molested by your brother. Your aunt is a perv. Move in silence. You are very rich. Write a book about it. Your family is jealous because you are getting married. Gemini, you got the house. Your aunt is a nutcase. Your dad is the devil. Nice song you just wrote. He is never going to leave his wife. You are an actress or actor on a Netflix film or show. Or it could be some type of streaming channel. Or you're a major celebrity actress or actor. How is Miami? You are a celebrity rapper, male. A private detective is watching your home. The ghosts in your home do not like your family. The voices in your head are your ancestors. Listen. And I'm seeing road trip to Texas. It's the bottom of the deck. Okay, I have a new deck. These are the Manifest Soulmate Oracle cards. Follow your heart's desires and manifest the heck out of your life. The reason it hurts so much to separate is because our souls are connected. So you may have soul ties to your ex. You need to do a spiritual bath and soul tie cleansing. Google it. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. And where does the power come from? It comes from within. So a lot of you need to do some meditating. Well, take it as it resonates, but you need to meditate to find that peace you're looking for. Surrounding yourself with people that are low vibrational is not going to cut it. You need to take a break. You need to start isolating yourself. You need more alone time. Life is art. Paint your dreams, sing your songs, enjoy the dance. Bottom of the deck, your dreams come true if you have the courage to pursue them. All you need is to believe in yourself. The hottest love has the coldest end, which means if it starts fast, it ends fast. So be wary about starting things fast. One more jumped out. And that's the same thing. It came out again. And where does the power come from? It comes from within. So maybe you needed to hear that twice, Gemini. Alright, let's see. See what the tarot has to say. All these cards popped out. Alright. Some of you may be dealing with a water sign. Your child, someone younger, likes to daydream. Maybe into the arts. Person has real severe heavy anxiety, or you may have anxiety. Five of Swords. There's a lot of deception going on. Cancer may be involved. This is that sex work, the detective. One of you may be about to start your cycle or have a baby. Somebody has been treating you like an option. Seven of Cups. You have you in competition and may have been a physical fight. It's maybe somebody that's an athlete as well. They've been juggling you. You've been in a situation, a love triangle, being juggled, and it's been giving you anxiety. But the truth just came out. You might have got a vision. You may be dreaming at night. And it came to you in your dream. That person is cheating. This could be this ex you were dealing with, Gemini. Keep lying and lying and lying about the situation, but the truth has been exposed, or maybe about to be exposed. If you haven't discovered yet, you're going to figure it out. It's in some cases. You need a lot of healing from this situation. That's the Temperance. There's either a tower coming, or you just avoided a tower moment, or you're trying to avoid a tower moment by dealing with this person. Let's clarify this tower. Okay, we have the Hierophant, the Emperor, and the Ace of Wands over this tower. This narcissistic person you're dealing with is about to get judgment for being out here spreading penis everywhere. Ace of Wands, look at this. And he probably gave you a disease. Or he likes to get high and have sex. Or he may be a heavy smoker. Yeah, that was a confrontation. Seven of Wands. That was a confrontation involved with that person. You probably tired of arguing. That's why the tower is in reverse. It probably happened already. Or you're trying to avoid it, but y'all been in major confrontation. You've been in heavy confrontation with this person over the same issues. Cheating and cheating and cheating and cheating. That gets old. There's no new beginning coming. Take the blindfold off. Two of Swords. Take the blindfold off. This person has been trying to confuse you. 5 of Swords, 2 of Swords. Look at the birds. This person has been trying to confuse you, but your ancestors have been talking to you, trying to show you what's going on. Probably in the dream state. At nighttime. You're having dreams about it. Because you're gifted. Alright, we have the Page of Wands. This person may be dealing with a younger person. Very loud. Likes to start fights and confusion. Could also be somebody they work with. A manager at their job. Or someone that's in the management field. She could be light-skinned. It's the Queen of Swords I have reversed. Trying to hide the truth about this other woman from you. Or this could be you. Or it also could be an air sign that this person is involved with and cheating with. But you're vibrating really low right now, Gemini. You need to do a cleansing. Cleanse your chakras. Especially your throat chakra, because it's a lot of blue in this card. You may be having issues with your daughter. You may have a teenage daughter that doesn't want to listen to advice you're giving her as well. And that's causing conflict in her life. Somebody may be also watching you or your child to try to get y'all into sex work. Yes, you got some news coming in. It's coming in quick. You may be about to take a trip by plane. This is some good news coming in, or some major news coming in swiftly. Also, you cutting the bullshit out of your life. Returning it back to where it came from. I'm hearing return to sender. You got a message coming in about some money. Could be about that house that came out in that card. Something material. New house, new car, new job. An increase in your income. A promotion. One of you may be about to be promoted to manager. If you put in an application for that. Let's clarify this Page of Pentacles. And the Page of Pentacles came out again with the Knight of Pentacles. So this is pertaining to a message regarding money. It could be about your son or your daughter. I'm hearing offer of forgiveness. So your ex may be coming in to offer you forgiveness for that situation. For cheating on you. Take a few more. If you're waiting on income that you apply for, housing assistance, rental assistance, a loan is coming in. That could be what this message is about. And you're going to be celebrating. You're going to be celebrating. Some message coming in. You got some mail. You're about to receive mail about money. For Wands, you're going to be celebrating. This is you getting a house. You got the loan or the mortgage for the house. You were approved. Probably also tried to refinance. You have a new beginning coming. It came out reversed, but I feel like for this ex, it's up to you. But some of you may not start a new beginning with that person. And some of you are about to get a new beginning in this new home that you're waiting for, you just purchased. I'm also hearing a business. Somebody just purchased a business as well. You're about to go away. One of you may be a travel agent going away on business. Or you're going to start your business away from your home. Uncharted territory. I'm hearing interior design. Taking it on the road. Some of you just manifested money as well, is what I'm also hearing. If you just did some candle work or some moon work during the moon phase, it's the full moon. You're about to get that money. Some of you are going on a honeymoon overseas. Be careful, because this also could be a storm coming as well. Somebody crabbing a boat in a fishing. It's a storm coming. See how it's kind of turbulent. Trying to get through the storm. It may also be a storm in your life you're trying to get through. It's calmer waters on the other side, leading you away from it. You're going away from that storm. Or some of you may have just missed the storm. Could have been evacuated. You just evacuated or left during the hurricane. Some of you, your homes may have been flooded as well. 6 of Swords, 4 of Wands, flooded home. This also could be a bursted pipe. Check your plumbing in your home, Gemini. This could be a bursted pipe. This water. But better yet, this one. It's all this water. And this makes me, I'm hearing pipes. Burst pipe, bust pipes, burst pipes, pipes burst in your home. All right. Overall, that was good, Gemini. Just be wary of this ex. Also, the serial killer. Be mindful of the people you work with, you hang around, anybody you just met, anybody you know. I feel like you're being watched. I'm hearing you're being watched. Be careful. Yes, it's wickedness going on. Maybe a Libra watching you. This person is in their hide. To me, well, Jekyll. Well, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. This person is in their Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde mind frame right now, so be careful. The law is watching, but this person is watching as well. I feel like you're going to be safe. But this person is immersed in their shadow energy. Could be a Libra you're dealing with. Possibly. Or a Pisces. They want to attack you, but like I said, I feel like you're being watched and that person is being watched too. But be on guard, 9 of Wands. Say it's somebody you used to work with or used to be close to. Could be somebody you were on set with. Could be somebody denied because you didn't want to work with them. Could be a Cancer involved. I have the 8 of Swords. Just looks like a failed attempt on a kidnapping, and now this person, that person is recovering. Everything's going to be okay. That was a failed attempt to put you in jail or to kidnap you. I'm hearing kidnapping. There was a kidnapping. This person will be found. And overall, this is Gemini. I'm sorry. The Fool card. Stop taking risks. Stop risking your life with people you don't know or you've just met. Could also be you avoiding an accident. You probably nearly had an accident. Be careful. Overall, got star power. You are a star. You're amazing. You may be in a public eye, social media, influencer. You have a major platform, a major following. You may be highly respected in your community, highly respected at work. I'm hearing highly respected by your peers. This is pertaining to a celebrity. It's going to be a happy ending, and we can stop it here. It's a happy ending. This is the marriage card. It did come out in one of my other cards that say your family's mad because you're getting married. You may be in a bisexual relationship. I'm hearing bisexual. I meant same sex, but one of you may be bisexual. Musicians. You may be musicians. Also, you may be actor or actress coming together. A musician and an actor getting married. That's what I'm hearing. A musician and an actor or actress. You need to realize Ace of Swords, and I saw that was stopping, but the truth about who you are. You need to walk away from the bullshit. 8 of Cups, 6 of Wands, because you're going to get your success. One of you may be about to be on a Broadway play or going on tour. Keep saying something about this tour. It's a tour coming up. It's going to be a major tour coming up. You're going to have success. You're going to be able to speak out and write about your story in this failed attempt to kidnap you or kill you. I'm hearing still see serial killer. It's a celebrity actress involved, actor, celebrity singer, celebrity rapper, a snitch, FBI, informant, detective, a psychic medium, a killer, a sex worker, a celebrity rapper, male, and forensics. I just got a flash, but I don't even want to speak on that. It's not my place. But they're going to find out what happened to somebody that was in the public eye that was possibly killed. Forensics is involved, and they're doing the investigation. The FBI is involved as well. Alright, Gemini. Thank you for watching. Thank you to my subscribers. I really appreciate you. Thanks to the new viewers. If you like what you've seen or heard, subscribe. Please like, share, comment. Only if it's positive, because I don't entertain negativity. Alright, y'all. Until next time.